So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find a bedroom to rent here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in a location. So for this demonstration, I will select New York. Once the location is selected, I'll just select map view. For this example, I want you to go to where it says type right here in between price and pets and then press on type. On the drop down, there's a bunch of different options. You see apartments, condo, house, and room. I want you to go ahead and make sure that room is selected. So now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different listings that are actually just rooms to rent. As if I were to zoom in a little bit further, you can see the listings that are showing in regards to a bedroom for rent. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find a bedroom to rent on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.